Import your file into a Rulex factory flow with an import from text file task. Save and compute the import task. Let's right-click on the imported data and select Take a Look to visualize our table. Each row in the dataset represents a single supermarket transaction, identified by an order ID. We'll transform all the item columns into one single column, with separate rows for every combination of order ID item. Drag a Reshape to long task onto the canvas. Let's define which attributes are going to be transformed into long format. Select all the item attributes, keeping the Shift button pressed to select them all at the same time. Drag and drop them onto the attributes to be transformed in long format edit box. The remaining attribute in the available attributes list will be considered key attributes in the final table. So, there will be a row for each key long attribute combination. Save and compute the task. Add a data manager to check the results. All the items are now displayed in a single column.